This is the world of manufacturing, where the vitality of machines and the wisdom of humanity abound. In this era of innovation and change, industrial robots have become drivers of productivity, leading the manufacturing industry towards greater intelligence and efficiency. 1. Automotive manufacturing. The automotive manufacturing plant is one of the main battlegrounds for industrial robots. In this vast workshop, industrial robots labor tirelessly, wielding iron arms and sparks to weld car bodies. This task demands highly advanced welding techniques, beyond the capabilities of traditional manual welding. The emergence of industrial robots fills this gap, injecting new vigor and vitality into the automotive manufacturing industry. Moreover, these robots are equipped with advanced sensors and vision systems, allowing real-time monitoring of welding quality to ensure the integrity and strength of each weld seam. ABB's, Switzerland, IRB 6700 series robots, as well as FANUC's, Japan, ArcMate series robots, have demonstrated outstanding performance in welding and assembly processes. 2. Electronics manufacturing. Entering the world of electronic products, we witness another aspect of robots. On this assembly line, robots are no longer silent welders but precise craftsmen. They use flexible mechanical fingers and intelligent vision systems to assemble and arrange tiny components, whether it be circuit boards or microelements, with ease. This high-precision work not only improves production efficiency but also greatly enhances product quality and consistency. During the assembly process, robots can automatically detect the dimensions and positions of parts to ensure accuracy and stability. FANUC's, Japan, LR-Mate series and Robodrill series robots, as well as Yaskawa's, Japan, Motoman series robots, are widely used in assembly and welding processes. 3. Food industry. In the food industry, robots' presence is ubiquitous. In this demanding environment, hygiene and safety are paramount, and industrial robots serve as guardians of hygiene and safety. They shuttle between production lines, using flexible mechanical arms to place food into packaging bags, seal them, and then stack them, all in a sterile environment. This highly efficient packaging method not only ensures the hygiene of food but also greatly increases packaging speed and production efficiency. Moreover, robots can intelligently adjust packaging according to the type and requirements of food to ensure compact and aesthetically pleasing packaging. Among them, ABB's, Switzerland, IRB series robots and Flex Picker series robots are widely utilized in the food processing industry. 4. Logistics industry. In the logistics industry, industrial robots also play a significant role. In this vast warehouse, robots move like ants between shelves, retrieving and transporting goods to designated locations. This automated goods handling system not only improves transport speed but also significantly reduces labor intensity and manpower costs, bringing new opportunities and challenges to the logistics industry. Furthermore, these robots can intelligently allocate based on the size and weight of goods to achieve optimal transport routes and plans. Amazon Robotics, a division of Amazon, USA, is capable of automated goods handling and sorting. Geek Plus, China, AGV and robotic arm systems provide efficient automation solutions for logistics companies. 5. Medical device manufacturing. Lastly, the medical field must be mentioned, where industrial robots also play a crucial role. In this dust-free workshop, robots act as craftsmen in the medical industry, using precise mechanical arms and intelligent control systems to manufacture surgical instruments. This high-precision and efficient production method not only improves the quality of surgical instruments but also shortens the production cycle, providing strong support for the development and progress of the medical industry. Additionally, robots can automatically adjust and process based on the design drawings of medical devices to ensure that each product meets stringent medical standards and requirements. The industrial robots from ABB, Switzerland, and the Texas series robots from Stabli Robotics, Switzerland, have demonstrated outstanding performance in medical device manufacturing. Overall, industrial robots not only improve productivity but also bring new opportunities for the manufacturing industry. In the future, with the development of artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies, industrial robots will become more intelligent and flexible, bringing more innovation and transformation to our factories and production lines. Industrial robots have become the cornerstone of modern manufacturing, and their development and application will drive the manufacturing industry towards greater intelligence, efficiency, and sustainability.